In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on Samsung A35. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to change the refresh rate on any Samsung device, including the A35. This will be done through the settings, so all that you have to do is open the settings on any Samsung device and then look for the display category. So as you can see, there will be three main categories at the top, and the third one is going to be display. So head over into display, and instead of looking for refresh rate, we have to go into motion smoothness. So go into the motion smoothness category, and now you will be able to change it between the two main options that Samsung provides. So by default, you will have standard. This is very jittery because the screen is not going to be updating constantly. So if you are playing fast-paced games or you are browsing daily and you are scrolling up and down, you will notice that the screen is jittery, it cuts into itself, and it isn't a very pleasant experience. Now, if you change it to adaptive, then you will be able to reach the highest refresh rates offered by your device. Just scrolling up and down, you will absolutely be able to tell the difference. So to keep it simple, go into motion smoothness and change it to adaptive. Now, some users might find it weird that Samsung does not allow you to set it to a fixed 120 Hz. They do this in order to allow you to save battery. So adaptive will automatically control the refresh rate. And if you notice that you don't need 120 Hz, it will simply default back to 60. I thought this would be a downside, however, the way they do it automatically is wonderful, and it is worth it in the long run to save a little bit more battery. So all that you have to do is choose adaptive. Keep in mind that if you are using power saver mode, you will not be able to set it to adaptive, so make sure to turn off power saver if needed. And as long as you choose the option from here and you apply, you will be good to go to see the new refresh rate in action. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on Samsung A35. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.